This is 9012 on the Disney Treasure. It is an Oceanview Stateroom, and it has been turned down for the night, so you can see how that's set up. And it has a split bathroom, as is normal on Disney ships, with a great tub in there. And once it's turned down for the night, you'll have your towel animal there. In this stateroom sleeps 4. You can see with a pull-down bed what that's like once it's pulled down out there. There's also a USB port up there, which is very handy. And the couch is turned down. There's a cabinet for clothes or whatever other storage you need. And here's a look at the porthole, so you can see how big that is. Very large porthole. And there we go.